So I was holding an open house in Carmel this past weekend. A lady came in from Palo Alto and she had a sheet of homes that she had printed. So obviously she's out looking. Greeted her at the door and was talking to her, asked her what she's looking for. And she had specific questions about short-term rental policies and water credits. Well, we have a packet that we've created cheat sheets that explain these things because these are questions we get all the time. So we were able to provide that information to her that she had been to other open houses, I think, that no one else provided to her. We enjoy doing it. It's fun to help people. And that gets back to what we talked about at the beginning. It's enjoyable helping people. So when we do that, it's done with a smile and it's enthusiastic and we stay on top of it. So that helps us stay on top of the curve, and being here for so long, we know the neighborhoods now. So if someone says, I don't want to feel isolated, it's like, well, then you don't want to be deep in the forest in Pebble Beach, right? You want to be somewhere where you can walk. And do you have leg issues? Well, you don't want to be in a place where it's hilly. You want to be more flat. Do you want to be where it's really private? Well, maybe you do want to be in the forest in Pebble Beach. We didn't know that when we first moved here. There's micro neighborhoods everywhere.